Hi friends, I am Ankita Karmakar. Welcome to Ankita's Study Room. Today, let's know about erosional landforms by sea waves. Sea waves are the most powerful agent of gradation. So, they are capable of forming landforms by erosion and deposition. But here we will only discuss about erosional landforms. How are erosional landforms formed by sea waves? Ocean waves have a tremendous amount of energy, and so they may do a great deal of erosion. Some landforms created by erosion are platforms, arches, and sea stacks. When a stretch of coastline is formed from different types of rock, headlands and bays can be formed. Bands of soft rock such as clay and sand are weaker, so therefore they can be eroded quickly. This process forms bays. When the softer rock is eroded inwards, the hard rock sticks out into the sea, forming a headland. Erosional landforms include headlands, bays, caves, arches, stacks, wave-cut platforms. Let's know more about them in detail. Headland. A headland, also known as a head, is a coastal landform, a point of land usually high and often with a sheer drop that extends into a body of water. It is a type of promontory. A headland of considerable size often is called a cape. Bay. A bay is a recessed coastal body of water that directly connects into a larger main body of water, such as an ocean, a lake, or another bay. A large bay is usually called a gulf, sea, sound, or a bight. A cove is a small circular bay with narrow entrance. Caves. A sea cave, also known as a littoral cave, is a type of cave formed primarily by the wave action of the sea. The primary process involved is erosion. Sea waves are found throughout the world, actively forming along present coastlines and as relict sea waves on former coastlines. Arches. Sea arches are a spectacular phenomena created by Mother Nature with a little help from the ocean. They are usually composed of soft rock that eroded over millions of years as waves hit land, carving caves and tunnels in rock. Stack. A stack or a sea stack is a geological landform consisting of a steep and often vertical column or columns of rock in the sea near a coast, formed by wave erosion. Stacks are formed over time by wind and water processes of coastal geomorphology. Wave-cut platforms. A wave-cut platform, shore platform, coastal bench, or a wave-cut cliff is a narrow flat area often found at the base of a sea cliff or along the shoreline of a lake, bay, or sea that was created by erosion. Wave-cut platforms are often most obvious at low tide when they become visible as huge areas of flat rock.